Meet Ajay, a high school graduate who dreams of studying at Central Michigan University, one of the top universities in the United States. But Ajay is not sure about the admission process and the documents required for it. That's where Study Metro comes to his rescue.
Hi, I'm Ajay. I want to study at Central Michigan University, but I'm not sure what documents I need to submit for admission.
Don't worry, Ajay. Study Metro is here to help you. Let's start by understanding the admission checklist for Bachelors and Masters programs at Central Michigan University. The admission checklist for Bachelors and Masters programs at Central Michigan University includes your academic transcripts, English proficiency scores, letters of recommendation, personal statement, resume, and application fee.
Okay, I think I understand the documents required, but how can Study Metro help me with the admission process?
Great question, Ajay. Study Metro is an overseas education consultant that helps students like you with the entire admission process, from choosing the right course to getting accepted into the university of your choice.
Hi, Ajay. I'm a Study Metro consultant, and I'm here to guide you through the admission process for Central Michigan University. We'll start by reviewing your academic credentials to ensure they meet the university's requirements. We'll also help you prepare your personal statement, resume, and letters of recommendation to make sure they stand out from the rest.
That sounds great. What else can Study Metro do for me?
Study Metro can also help you with the visa application process, finding accommodation, and even provide you with pre-departure and post-arrival support. We make sure that your journey to studying abroad is smooth and hassle-free.
Thank you so much for your help. I feel much more confident about my application now. With Study Metro by his side, Ajay can now submit his application to Central Michigan University with ease, knowing that he has the right documents and support to help him succeed. If you're like Ajay and need help with your admission process, contact Study Metro today. We're here to help you achieve your dreams of studying abroad. Like, share, and subscribe to Study Metro for more awesome content.